Everybody fucking jump!
Alrighty, welcome back to the ozone, everybody. Get this light on. A little bit of box action. Small label gang. Ran into a bunch of these recently. I had 2 pairs, but I got a pair for a couple people to wear. This is the Air Jordan 5 Retro. Like I said, black, new emerald, and fire red, aka the Jordan 5 Retro top 3s. Took the 3 best, I guess 3 top rated Jordan 5s and put them into this one shoe. This is one of my, I can't remember the year it came out, but whatever the year it came out, this is one of my favorite 5s. This is one of the last 5s I bought before I stopped buying 5s, even though I just got the Emerald Jade 5s when I unboxed them after I unboxed these. Like I said, this month I'll start wearing some 5s. I'm going to only wear rental 5s and keep my 5s on ice, so everybody wanted to do the same thing. So we all copped up a bunch of rental pairs. We will be wearing 5s this month. I think with the 5s and 11s. So definitely, if you guys are interested in 5s or 11, contact one of the Ozone sellers or stop by one of the shops. And you'll be able to get yourself some pretty cheap 5s or 11s this month. These will be available as well as many others, so make sure you check in. Have a lot of the Raging Bull Toro Bravo 5s, in case you missed out on those. We have all variations of it. So you'll be able to complete the collection. This shoe has a little bit of rubbing being in the box, but it's a Jordan 5, so what you're going to do, they always get the rubbing with the synthetic leather upper. This one actually has the Nike Air on the back, so everybody went crazy at the time when this came out. I don't know what the buzz is on this shoe now, but I have to check it out. They have 2 13s. I think this one here is 11 and a half. Translucent bottom. Wherever they stored this one at, it was okay. The bottom is still absolutely translucent. There's not a hint of yellowing. Maybe some slight yellowing on the back when I see, but more of a red feature. But like I said, I'm putting some wear on these, so this shoe is going to live the life of a sneaker. Purple tongue. Like I said, synthetic leather upper, whatever they call it, the Durabuck. Just an all-around great journey in my experience. Give you guys a view of what the shoe is going to look like when it's on your foot. Alright guys, you know what to do. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see. Let me know what shoes you're buying. How do you feel about these top 3s? Did you get a pair? Do you want a pair? Stay safe out there. Everybody have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!